Skincare home remedies. Bright skin. Dark circles. Hydrated skin. Acne-free. Pink lips. Smooth skin. Clear skin. Honey and lemon face mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with a few drops of fresh lemon juice. Apply it to your face and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. This mask can help brighten your skin and reduce the appearance of blemishes. Dark circles. Cucumber eye pads. Cut 2 thick slices of cucumber and place them over your closed eyes for about 10-15 minutes. Cucumber has a cooling effect and can help reduce puffiness and dark circles around the eyes. Skin hydration. Coconut oil moisturizer. Coconut oil moisturizer. Apply a small amount of coconut oil to your face and body as a natural moisturizer. It's nourishing and can help keep your skin hydrated. Smooth skin. Oatmeal face scrub. Combine 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal with enough water or milk to make a paste. Gently massage it onto your face in circular motions, then rinse off. This scrub can help exfoliate and soften your skin. Pink lips. Beetroot Zero Tea Juice. Apply a thin layer of beetroot juice to your lips before going to bed. Beetroot juice can help add a natural pink tint to your lips. Just make sure to do a patch test first to check for any allergic reactions.